Shut up, clock in and load up.
All right, they're cleared out. Come on, let's move up. Whoa, whoa. Nice. Move it. Shit. Where is he? Coming through. Where is he? Is he X?
Yeah.
Here, let me get my... He's dead. He got wrecked.
No, that's not him.
No? There's one more. Oh, there he is. Oh, you got him? Oh, wait, wait, wait. Hold on. 64. There's one.
Oh, I got, yeah, we're good. Sorry, sorry. Don't say sorry. Just war.
He got hit.
All
right.
Okay, okay.
Still too far. Maybe we should scoot back a bit.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
Scoot back to Osama. Hold on, hold on. Bang, bang.
Nice.
Good one, though.
Got it. Get in there.
Left.
All right. I'm going this way.
We got a guy in the bus, don't shoot him.
Okay. Thankful for the ride.
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
Got her.
Fuck me right in the asshole.
Bang, bang. Got him. Got him.
NANI?!
You're hit, bro. You're hit. All right, cool.
Fat Lord.
Too fat. All right. Got him.
My milkshake brings all the boys to the yard, and they're like, it's better than yours.
Yes, you're over here. Alright guys, so, go listen up, listen up. So, this next game mode, it's gonna be a bomb game scenario, so.
Alright, let's go. Yeah, boy! Yeah, yeah, yeah! He's right there, he's right there! Oh, that's Valletta.
Bomb is on Tate's team side. The bomb is on Tate's team side.
Oh, he's dead.
Take it.
Go far. Yeah, because they're all over here. Run, 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 guys, follow us, come on.
Let's move up and set up a perimeter.
Hey, hold back for a second, bro.
Hold back, hold back.
Hold back, we're gonna set up a perimeter. Oh, it's clear. Come on, come on, come on, go, 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 go. Move up, come on.
Señor y Víctor.
Go, go, go,
Víctor.
go, 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 go.
Ha caído. Señor. Señor.
We got it.
Gol de señor! I forgot my lube. I hope you guys don't mind. I'm coming in dry.
Chill, fam.
26, 26. So going in. Right behind you.
Get in the car.
All right, I saw. Thank you. Hit. Come on.
Got green in wheelhouse.
Yeah, buns and ties.
Good shit. Hey, you're hit, fool! You're hit! Oh my god, I just wiped the fucking team out.
That was clutch as fuck. That was nice.
Moving up, moving up. See that kid? Keep a watch on the left side too, Alex. They've been pushing up far left.
We're clear. We got good coverage.
Call it! What the fuck? Call it! Oh my fucking god. Call it! Thank you! Fuck.
Right.
Hit.
Oh, dude, that one right over your shoulder.
Are they in there?
So across. No, they're not in there, I don't think.
They're all to the left.
Far side of bus. Oh, you got 'em.
Ooh.
Far side of bus.
Careful, right side of Kill House. Oh, fuck. Got one.
Go.
Right through the crack. That was perfect. Shit. Sorry, man. Sorry.
I'm down. Yeah, I've been there for so long. It's like
Hit. You scared the shit out of me. Sorry. Where are they?
I saw one blue building right side, just past 67.
Heard.
That's all I know.
Heard.
Yeah, I'll cover. Right side.
Got one. Got one.
67. Wait more.
Careful, Ox. Got him. That was a long shot. No way. Oh, got him. Got him at 86. Oh. Oh, wait.
Reloading.
Hold on.
Moving right on Osama.
73.
Osama, moving.
What the fuck? Oh, god damn it! Ran out of ammo. Wet, dry, naked, jerked hard. Do I even want to know? You get that a lot, don't you?
Yo, that Central BBQ shirt is sick.
I know, I like it. Look at that 360.
Just spray as we go do a 360.
360 no scope the ref on the tower.
GoPro, stop recording.
There we go. Got one. Whoa. Kill house door. Got one. Call it. I think I killed him. Hit. Guys, bus. My bad. All right, got him. My bad. Left side, far left side. Going.
You ready to go to the top?
Oh, I got one at 52. 52. Go for it.
Nope. Hold on, bus.
I got it, bus suppressed.
Right side bus.
15, 14, 13, 0, 11, 9.
Bam, bop, bada bop, boom, pow.